a rolling piece of timeless artistry. The 1956 Ford Fairlane Victoria stands as a dazzling emblem of classic American automotive excellence. With its iconic chrome-accented body lines and unmistakable two-tone paint schemes, this masterpiece captures the essence of a golden era when cars were more than just machines. They were bold statements of style and sophistication. Before diving into its breathtaking design, rich history and enduring appeal become part of our passionate community, where classic car legends are celebrated, restored, and admired. Emerging from an era defined by elegance and innovation, the Ford Fairlane Victoria was introduced as a premier model in the Fairlane lineup, reflecting Ford's commitment to luxury and performance. With its signature Thunderbird-inspired styling, sweeping side trim, and pillarless hardtop design, it stood as a beacon of automotive craftsmanship in the mid-1950s. The Fairlane name itself was derived from Henry Ford's estate, symbolizing prestige and heritage. A true collector's dream, the 1956 Ford Fairlane Victoria remains one of the most sought-after classics today. Restored models in pristine condition can fetch prices ranging from $40,000 to $80,000, depending on originality and modifications. Custom builds with modernized powertrains and upgraded interiors have also gained popularity, blending classic aesthetics with contemporary performance. Under the hood, the 1956 Fairlane Victoria offered a range of powerful V8 engines, with the top-tier 312 cubic inch Thunderbird special delivering an impressive 225 horsepower. A smooth-shifting Ford-O-matic transmission provided effortless cruising, making this beauty not only a head-turner but a joy to drive. With improved suspension and wider rear springs, the ride quality was significantly refined, ensuring comfort. The interior was a true showcase of mid-century luxury, featuring plush bench seats, chrome-trimmed dash panels, and a beautifully designed steering wheel. The Fairlane Victoria was available with premium options such as a push-button radio, power windows, and a padded dash, elevating the driving experience to a whole new level. The attention to detail, from the intricate door panels to the stylish gauge cluster, reflected Ford's dedication to blending elegance with functionality. This car represents more than just an era. It's a symbol of America's love affair with automobiles, an enduring legend that continues to captivate enthusiasts across generations. Whether you admire its striking exterior, appreciate its robust engineering, or cherish its nostalgic charm, the Fairlane Victoria holds a special place in automotive history. Join us as we explore the beauty and brilliance of this 1950s icon. Stay tuned for more exclusive insights, restorations, and expert takes on the most legendary cars ever built. Be part of our journey, where automotive history lives on, one classic at a time.